I'm not going to let cancer take anything away from me. I'm still going to be Mike Peters and I'm still going to play music. No, first of all, I wanted to be a football player and play for Man United and Wales. Yeah. But when it got to the 70s, I realised that wasn't going to happen. Yeah. And I saw David Bowie on Top of the Pops on the BBC, and that was just the... that just made me want to get a guitar. Yeah. And then I was in real high school, and the teachers asked if anyone played guitar, and I put my hand up with another guy, and I could only play the one chord, but the other guy, he knew a few more chords, and we started a little band going in school. And then I saw the Sex Pistols in 1976, and that was, you know, being this far away from Johnny Rotten singing Anarchy in the UK was mesmerising, life-changing. It sort of woke me up, really. Yeah. And from then I thought I wanted to be in a band that had original songs. Then I created a band called The Toilets.
The Toilets?
The Toilets.
Wow.
We were flushed with success. We were a good band, you know, and we went to Liverpool to get an audition at this club called Eric's. Yeah. We went down amazing, and as soon as I put the guitar down, Bob Geldof, who played the night before with the Boomtown Rats, he jumped up on the stage and shook my hand. Oh. And then the club owner comes on stage and he goes, "That was amazing. Do you want to play with The Clash tonight?" And I'm like, wow. Whoa! And we played for The Clash. But I think the energy of The Toilets kind of burnt out really fast. Yeah. And then soon it became the Alarm. I really channeled it into the Alarm.
And then, you know, you were flying these fantastic gigs and tours lined up. You had then, you know, the bombshell of the cancer.
95.
95.
Yeah. I could feel a lump. I could move up and down in my collarbone. And I thought, well, going to America in a week. Better get that checked out. Probably a bit tired, been working really hard. So I went to see the local GP, and he said, "Oh, I think we'll send you for a blood test." And Jules and I went in, I gave blood, and as I was coming out, the nurse said, "Oh, just wait a couple of minutes because the doctor wants to see you." And I thought, OK, yeah, great. And then I see this piece of paper coming across the table. It said, "Let's talk about cancer." Oh, my. And then I just went, and it was... I don't remember what happened after that, because he said to me, "Look, you're in shock now. Come back tomorrow, and we're going to talk about cancer properly tomorrow." The only thing I remember then is he putting the kettle on, and then my brother picking up the phone, and I said, "Look, who are you calling?" And he said, "Oh, I'm cancelling the gig." And I went, "No, let's not cancel anything. I can't sit here thinking about tomorrow. I need something to occupy my mind. Let's go and do the gig." And that I think that informed my mindset towards cancer for the rest of my existence with the disease, which has run on for a long time now. Yeah. And it was just like, the show must go on almost, and I'm not going to let cancer take anything away from me. I'm still going to be Mike Peters and I'm still going to play music.